help with the smart liftgate or trunk on your Hyundai Ioniq? Here are some quick tips. First, be sure the feature is enabled. Select Setup, then Vehicle, then Door, and make sure the feature is enabled. The feature will only operate if the hood, trunk, or liftgate and all doors are closed and locked. The vehicle has been locked for at least 15 seconds. The smart key is on your person, and you have not been within close proximity of the vehicle within 15 seconds of locking it. Now just stand within 3 feet of the rear bumper for more than 3 seconds with the smart key on your person. The hazard lights will flash, the chime will sound 6 times, and the smart trunk or liftgate will open.